Less than 10 years ago, if I had told you that I had a machine which could melt away unwanted body fat without surgery, without downtime, and without any recovery and minimal risk, it would have been science fiction. And you would have been right if you'd called me on that. But about 5 years ago, such a machine became reality. The machine is known as the CoolSculpting device. And what this device does is takes advantage of the fact that fat is more sensitive to cold than skin and other surrounding tissues. So you need to have enough fat to grab a little bit, and this device draws your skin and a little bit of fat between two cold plates and just cools the tissue. What you find is that over the following 1 to 3 months, about 20% of the fat that was cooled melts and is excreted by your body naturally. What we've learned since the introduction of this device is that we can modify the way we use it to not only reduce fat in the belly and the flanks or the love handles where we initially began, but we can use this device in other parts of the body, and by being clever, using appropriate and advanced techniques, we can really sculpt someone's body without surgery. Using a new approach called treatment to transformation, we can, for example, take someone who's never had a six-pack in their belly and give them a sculpted appearance just by using this external device. Newer advances are allowing treatment of the inner and the outer thighs and even the arms. Now, not everyone is a candidate for CoolSculpting treatment. It's not a weight loss procedure, and it's not a procedure for someone who has a lot of laxity in their skin. But if you're somewhat close to your ideal body weight and have unwanted bulges in areas that you don't like, you may well be a great candidate for CoolSculpting. You can barely pick up a magazine or newspaper or turn on the television or the internet without seeing some type of ad for some device that claims that it can do something similar to CoolSculpting. But CoolSculpting is the only technology that truly has the science and the history behind it. There are now nearly 1 million treatments have been performed over a number of years. We know that this treatment is effective, it's safe, and the vast majority of people who are treated achieve outstanding responses. If you think that you have some bulges that you don't like, or would like to find out if you're a candidate for CoolSculpting, just ask one of our staff.